Welcome back, family. Welcome back, everyone. Today I do have a very exciting unboxing with you all. So if you want to see what's in this box right here, just keep on watching. If this is the first time that you are stumbling on this channel, my name is Chi. I concentrate on fashion, pretty much anything I want to talk about right here. If it sounds like what you're interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Who receives gifts and don't open the gifts till months after? Me. Okay, so I received this from my husband for Mother's Day, and Mother's Day was like what, 2-3 months ago, because we're in August, and I'm just getting to unbox this because I totally forgot, because the box has been sitting down in the basement. So let's get started with the little item right here. This is the first item that we're going to unboxing. It's from the cosmetics section. But you ever heard that story where it says TikTok made me buy it? This is one of the case scenarios, because TikTok made me buy this. Okay, there was a video going viral on TikTok, and it was a girl talking about this water fresh tint. It's not a foundation, it's just like a base before you put your foundation. And I was like, it would be a bad idea to try it. Let me go ahead and get one and see how it works. And to my surprise, I do love it. This is the Beige water fresh tint, and like I said, TikTok made me buy it. I bought it, I used it. I'm actually wearing it right now under my foundation, and look how fresh my face is. I love it. So this is the product right here, and it comes with a brush as well. This is the brush right here. It's a very little brush, and I do like the brush. I haven't used it yet, and it does have like great feel to it. It's the Beige water fresh tint in the color medium dip. So this is the color I got. So basically you're supposed to apply this before you apply your foundation. So I'm happy I bought this, and it sits perfectly on my face. It doesn't move. I use my hand to apply it. First of all, you want to shake it and then put it on your hand. So you can see it's water based and it matches with my skin. So you just slightly rub it into your hand or your face like I did, and it just gives that smooth on the base before you apply your foundation. Look at the color right here. Look at how it looks. It goes right with my skin. You need to get your actual color. These was $65, and yeah, I'm also gonna put the information down for those of you that actually know your shade of foundation and your color, to go ahead and try this out. Trust me, you're not going to you're not going to be disappointed, because this is just good, especially if you want to do like a laid back. Okay, enough of this. Let's talk about the item right here in the box. This is the handbag I got right here. I know, another tote bag. So I've been loving tote bags for the past 1.5 years, and I do have my LV tote bag, I have my Gucci tote bag, and I'm like, okay, I think I need another one, precisely in a different color, but this time I wanted like it from Chanel. So this is the Chanel Deauville Tote bag. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. I hope I am. With these French houses and their names, I really don't want to butcher their names, but I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. This is a Devel tote bag, and I got this in a size medium, and I'm so happy with the size that I got, and the color. This color is like a light blue color. This is the inside of the bag. It also comes with a mini pouch, which is right here, and you can detach this pouch, take it out, and you can actually carry this around. This is the pouch right here. basically nothing in here. If I don't want to carry my wallet, I can put stuff inside this pouch. So this is a good one to actually carry around. Inside of the bag is made of a fine fabric material. It's a cream color. This is inside. And it does have this. Also inside of the bag, you do have the zipper right here. It does say Chanel as well. I'm just gonna take this. It does say Chanel in here. Again, the hardware is silver hardware. It's a pretty good size handbag. For me, it's not too big. I'm gonna stand for you guys to see it in a minute. I can have the choice of alternating which bag I do want to carry on my trip. I also love the fact that it does have this straps as well, so you can put this on your shoulder. You can see that the strap is made with the fine leather and a mixture of a silver chains going around it. It's a slouchy bag. I think I'm going to put in inserts to carry the bag. I know it's going to get dirty because of the fabric and the material, but I don't mind. It's meant to be carried around. There are no fits at the bottom, so it's okay. I don't mind. This is going to be hanging on my hand luggage or on my arm. Once you've seen all the things. Is this a good bag or is it a good buy? Do you think you have to buy this bag? I personally think yes, it's a good purchase, it's a good buy. It's perfect as a day bag. It's also perfect for traveling. This is a very casual bag. Sometimes it looks extremely smart on you when you dress it up. So you can dress up, you can dress down however you want with this bag. I do know that some people talk about using this bag as a diaper bag. You can if you want to. This is a medium size. So if you have a baby or are planning to have a baby and you want to have a bag that is from the luxury line, but then you want to switch it between carrying it around as an everyday bag and carrying as a diaper bag, this could work as well. I plan on getting another tote bag, but this will be coming from a different brand, and that will be the end of me purchasing tote bags. Okay, so this is my third tote bag. This bag comes in different colors. You'll be lucky enough to get colored bags like this for the summer because they usually have like the black ones in stock. There was a time I saw the raffia fabric bag and I really wanted it, but when I saw the price, I'm like, heck no, I'm not doing that. Like, that's just too much. But overall, I love this handbag. I love everything about it. It's a tote bag, like I said. It's a travel bag for me. It's a lounge bag for me. It's a bag that I can carry every day or every other day. I'm going to be dressing this up and dressing it down because you know you can dress this up with like some nice denim palms or wedges and some nice button-up shirt or like a slouchy shirt. It will look really nice. Thank you, lovelies. Thank you, family, for sticking with me to the end of this entire video. I hope you guys love the bag and the color choice that I went for. I was looking for something really. So if you guys love this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that like button, okay? It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Lets YouTube know that you guys love my videos. So don't forget to hit that like button, turn on your notification bells so you get notified anytime I post any new content on my channel. And with that being said, thank you, family, thank you, lovelies, for sticking around, and catch you guys in the next video. Take care and bye bye.